Mommy. You love mommy.
He's a mommy doll.
Mommy. Oh, you give mommy.
Oh, you Bobby. You give
Daddy.
that.
You see daddy? Dad. You love daddy? You're gonna love him, yeah. You pick his eyes off. You're a nice daddy. You love daddy? You're not gonna give daddy a Valentine kiss? You give daddy a kissy, won't you? No, you just want daddy to play with you. It's poking roll. How about mommy? You love mommy? You love mommy. Oh, I love mommy.
Oh, you give mommy a kiss.
How about daddy? You give daddy a kissy? He'd eat mommy up. How about daddy? You give daddy a kissy? Throw him around. Oh, there you go.
To give daddy a kiss.
He usually gives daddy a kiss. He's just in a mood today.
He's a dude.
Now they're on the floor. Poor mommy and daddy. Get him. You say dada? Dada? I'm all over the place. Come on, I'll help you.
You say mama.
You say mama? Liam, can you say mama? Can you say dada?
You say mama. Why are you eating the dolls today?
Mommy can.
You eating the mommy? Okay, we're done.